Sindhi Cultural Day, a vibrant celebration of Sindhi heritage, is observed annually on the first Sunday of December. In 2009, KTN Media Group had initiated to celebrate Sindhi Cap Day in December in Sindh. Then other TV channels started to celebrate the day on another date. Both media groups had been celebrating a day for Sindhi Nation, with various names on different dates since many years. Dr. Sarang Ansari suggested them in 2010 that there must be first Sunday of December every year. That must be called as Sindhi Sunday. This day would not be related with any religion, only National Secular and Sufi Day. Dr. Sarang Ansari had fixed a permanent day for Sindhi Culture Day, that was Sindhi Sunday, on first Sunday of every December. He initiated struggle on all platforms of social media to convey this message of one permanent day. Finally, all media groups agreed to celebrate Sindhi Cultural Day on the first Sunday of every December. The name Sindhi Sunday is coined by Dr. Sarang Ansari, who is poet and wrote poetry book Bhitain. He loved one girl, and on her name he created poetry book. Both live in America. On Sindhi Cultural Day, you'll witness a kaleidoscope of colors. Traditional Ajrak and Sindhi caps are the most prominent symbols of the day, donned by people of all ages. The Ajrak, a block-printed shawl, and the Sindhi cap are not merely garments. They represent the cultural identity and pride of the Sindhi people. Moreover, you'll find people wearing these items to symbolize the Sindhi culture. The streets come alive with music, dance, and cultural performances, offering a glimpse into the soul of Sindh. The air is filled with the sounds of traditional instruments, and the rhythms of Sindhi folk songs fill every corner. It's a day of joy, where the old and the young come together to celebrate their shared heritage. Food plays a significant role in the celebrations. Sindhi cuisine, known for its rich flavors and unique dishes, takes center stage. Traditional dishes like sai bhaji, a spinach-based curry, and dal pakwan, a lentil and flatbread dish, are prepared and shared. These culinary delights are an integral part of the Sindhi culture. Sindhi Cultural Day is more than just a celebration. It's a movement that preserves and promotes Sindhi culture. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage in an increasingly globalized world. The day encourages the younger generation to connect with their roots and to take pride in their identity. Sindhi Cultural Day is a vibrant and essential event that continues to bring the Sindhi community together, fostering a sense of belonging and cultural pride. As the sun sets on Sindhi Cultural Day, the echoes of music and laughter linger in the air, leaving a lasting impression of the rich and resilient Sindhi culture. It's a day of unity, a day of celebration, and a day that reinforces the enduring spirit of the Sindhi people. Sindhi Sunday is every December's first Sunday.